Hey guys, I just want to make this video and talk about just kind of where things are at and just looking back on the journey that I've gone through as far as creating and trying to, create my own online business. And it's crazy to think like there was a time when I was like, I literally didn't think I was ever going to make it. There was times when I had just awful days, mostly because I didn't understand frameworks and structures and a lot of the stuff that I know about now. But there was times when I was just low. Like I didn't think it was going to happen. I didn't think I was ever going to make, money online, so to speak. Right. And to look at the journey, like when I was younger, when I was a kid, right after high school, I remember the first summer after high school, my parents got me this job. So that's how you know it was going to be a rough one. But it was like my mom knew somebody who worked at a place and had a little bit of, inside knowledge that they needed some summer help. And so they got me this job. This job was at a cement factory, and it was rough. It was a rough summer there, very physical. I was a soft, wimpy kid, and that was a physical man's job. So it definitely kicked my butt. And it was good in a way because it was also gave me like, more money than working at other jobs that I had in the past. Because of the nature of it and whatnot, but it also showed me, I was like, hey, this isn't something that I want to do every day. Like I don't want to go and pour concrete every day and swing a hammer and knock open these forms and be all hot and sweaty and dirty every single day and covered in, dried concrete. So that was what kind of made me think, okay, you need to go get educated, like stat. So I went from that, registered for college that semester or that fall, and just kind of like went through some courses, some kind of general stuff. Didn't really know where I was going to go or what I wanted to do. And then it was after that, like another semester or two after that, that I was like, hey, you got to do something specific. You got to figure out what's going on. And I was literally at the point where I was like, you need to either go to college and do something serious, or you need to like join the military because you need like discipline in your life. So it kind of came down to a coin flip, and I wound up going with more schooling. And that's when I went and got like some education in like, computers, computer science, IT, that kind of stuff. Went that route because I was like, oh, I like video games, so let's go with computers. That was literally my logic and how smart I was when it came to planning my future at that point. Just kind of revolved around video games. Thankfully, computers turned out to be a good thing, so it's worked out since. But then once it was like, well, there's like information technology, and then there's internet marketing, right? So I was like, well, internet technology, I'm like, I'm pretty good with technology, so this probably should be really easy for me, right? And that was probably the last time I ever thought, wow, this is easy, or this might be easy, because it was not easy, and there was a lot of hard times in learning as far as being an entrepreneur. But it's definitely made me a better person for it. And now since then, like I've gone on, and here you can see, when you get your one Comma Club award and you actually make some money online, you get some recognition, and do it through it doesn't matter if it's like Clickfunnels or lead pages or whatever, but you actually break that barrier and actually make some, make your first online money. It just really feels amazing. So just know that someone, even a former cement worker, can do it, then you can do it. So thanks for watching this, and I'll see you in the next video.